WTC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you were able to dodge the rain today and not get too wet as those passing showers, a couple of which were on the heavy side during the afternoon, moved through, providing a nice little watering for all the lawns out there, and flowers again. They'll be blooming with plenty of sunshine tomorrow and temperatures heating back up into those mid-90s as we do stay, I think, dry for most of our Friday, but those daily rain chances do return pushing into the weekend. So let's look at the big picture and figure out what's going on. So we had the front that came through yesterday that moved out into the Gulf of Mexico, but the mid-level front is still pretty much located right along the Gulf Coast, and that's what got those showers to fire up. But as we go a little bit higher above that, we got this dry pocket of air in the upper levels that's trying to work its way down, and I think as we go through the overnight, that mid-level front's going to fall apart, and this drier air will be able to make its way all the way down across the area, and so that should keep rain chances on the lower side tomorrow, but still going to be awful hot and humid. Today we could see those scattered showers and storms that pushed across the area, in some locations producing about an inch or more, but not really causing too many flood concerns as we had been a little bit on the dry side, so we could use some of that rain. Now it's all pretty much falling apart. The clouds are lingering with us, but those are even beginning to kind of die out, and I do expect skies to go pretty much clear by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. So no issues heading back to school and work tomorrow, especially through the first half of the day. Even around lunchtime, we do see some coastal showers possible, but I think that's where they're going to stay more or less over the marshlands. Most of the inland locations do stay dry for our Friday, although we can't rule out one or two isolated stray showers as we push into the evening. But rain chances look to be down around only about 20% for our Friday, so I do think most of us stay dry. Pushing into the weekend, things might change a little bit. So our other model, similar picture. The possibility for some coastal showers by 4 o'clock. Most of those are dry, maybe a stray shower. So it does look like we'll begin to dry out a little bit after a couple wet days. And maybe by Saturday you can get that grass cut. But you're going to have to try and do it in the morning because you do see by the afternoon a little better rain chance as some moisture makes its way off the Gulf back over the region. So I do think rain chances bump up for those daily afternoon showers to 30–40% for both Saturday and Sunday. And the European model shows that a good chance for at least a hit or miss shower come Saturday afternoon. Again, Sunday afternoon will repeat. And then going into the new work week, more of the same. Daily afternoon showers Monday, again on Tuesday afternoon. A little lower rain chance, but still will be there come Wednesday. And then by Thursday and Friday, we're down around 20–30%, but still going to be kind of summer-like with temperatures in the lower 90s and that humidity. But that's the story tomorrow. The temperatures will get down into the mid-70s tonight. Factor in the humidity. This is your feel-like temperatures, actually. Mid to upper 90s by about lunchtime, and then we will top out in the triple digits, anywhere from maybe 102 in Lafayette, but could get anywhere from maybe 108 to 110, so it is going to be one of those hot and humid days like we had earlier in the week. Keep that in mind if you do work outside. Make sure you're staying hydrated. Similar story for Saturday. Still going to be on the hot and humid side, but you do see if you get some of those showers to come through, that could cool you off a little bit, but we will keep the chance for triple-digit heat through the weekend as well. So a comfortable evening in store for us as we get down to where we should be for this time of year, in the mid-70s, right around 75. And if you get out there, you can see that full sturgeon moon making its way across the sky tonight. For our Friday, it's all about the heat. 95 degrees is what I'll go with the actual high, but again, the feel-like temperatures will be into the triple digits. Rain chances on the low side, but they do start to come back up for the weekend and stay pretty good chance for Monday and Tuesday, and then continuing with us through most of next week and even into the following weekend, with temperatures getting back to where they should be, with highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s depending on when the rain arrives, with overnight lows in the 70s. So at least we can finally kind of get rid of some of the oppressive heat.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks, Eric.